Well, I'm home. Been home for a couple of weeks. That's why you haven't seen too many videos from me. It feels good to be sitting in my house on a rainy, cold Pennsylvania day. It's pretty much rained every day since I've been home. It's like making up for all that time in the desert. I should be on the road again in a few days, and I have new gear to play with, and I'm excited about getting back to the ocean and taking some more videos. My Osmo is back from being fixed, so that's what I'm using right now. And they all say the sound from this is horrible. And I'll tell you right now that right now you're listening to the stock audio. There's no mic. I'm not doing a secondary recording. You say I have the microphone. It is not plugged in to anything. And if anybody wonders, no, you cannot use the GoPro mic adapter on this Osmo Pocket. It doesn't work. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, because it doesn't. At least not with the newest firmware version. So, I just want to say, Happy New Year, everyone. I have a feeling you'll see a lot more videos from me. Not that anybody watches them. But I'm going to try. Slow and steady wins the race. And for all you people who are going to be standing around your right foot at midnight, don't be a sheep. Please don't do that. Please. Please don't start that. We don't need that tradition. Happy New Year. See you online.